Hi, to change or add password on your iPhone with iOS 18, as a first step we would need to open settings on our phone and now scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Face ID and Passcode. So we would need to open it and then scroll down again. Here we are looking for this exact button which is named Turn Passcode On. So we would need to click on it, and here you would need to enter your new passcode. Currently the default option is 6-digit numeric 1, but if you would like to make it shorter or switch to alphanumeric, you can click on this button Passcode Options. Here we got 4 and 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, and custom alphanumeric code. So here you can choose the one that you are most comfortable with. For example, for me it's 4-digit, and then enter your new password 2 times in a row. So as you can see, my passcode is too easy, but I'll still use it. And now we would need to verify our new passcode by entering it once more. And this is basically it. We have successfully set a passcode on our phone. So here, as you can see, I would need to verify my account by entering my Apple ID password. And after I have entered my Apple ID passcode, everything is done, and now as you can see, we got the option Turn Passcode Off, which is signaling that our passcode is now enabled. So let's test it. I'll turn off my phone and then try to unlock it, and yes, it's required to enter the passcode to unlock the phone. And now we got second question, which is how to change the passcode. So for that we would need to go to Settings, then scroll down and go to the same tab, Face ID and Passcode. Click on it. Here enter your passcode to verify, and then scroll down until you'll find this button Change Passcode. So we would need to click on it, enter our current passcode, and then enter our new passcode. So for example, I'll choose 6 times 1 and once more to verify. And this is it. We have successfully changed our passcode, so let's also test it. I'll turn off my phone, then try to unlock it, and now enter 6 times 1. And this is it. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful, and have a great day.